Alright, here's the deal. I'm having a lot of fun trying to figure out exactly what I'm going to do with the caddy. I got my amps over here. Got a fuse holder, a distro block. Working on a couple of ideas. Got my audio control, DM810 ready to go. Arguably the world's most badass amplifiers right now, currently. But I don't have my excess power Titan 8 batteries yet. And I don't want to start this without knowing where those are going, what they look like, how big they are. Wiring is a big thing. I even got my sky high wiring over here. I got my black and white 1-aught ready to go. So here's the deal. I know I really want to get this system installed, but I got another problem that you guys probably don't know about because I don't talk about it very much. Alright, let's go check out the problem I'm speaking of. And we got the Tahoe sitting over here. Sitting pretty, just like she always does. But what good's pretty if nothing's really working? Actually, everything works great. Everything still works fine. But my batteries that are buried underneath the car finally took their toll. The car always sits on a charger. It always sits on an intellicharger, to be exact. So I know that it's usually pretty good. But if you have a couple old batteries in your mix, those things will be a load on your system. So last January while I was in Vegas, they got knocked off of their trickle charger, off their life support, and the batteries died. I came back, they were at about 2 volts. There's really no bringing them back when they're that bad. You might get lucky if you bring one down that low, one time maybe, but yeah, these batteries, they've been around for a long time. They've done great, but they're gone. I just got off the phone with Scotty from Excess Power. We are gonna replace every single battery in here with Group 31 14 volt batteries. Currently there's D3100s 12 volt Group 31 batteries. We're going to do Group 31 14 volt batteries in here. Not only do I want to replace all the batteries in here and finally get this thing to start again, and by the way, once it starts, the system's going to be playing right away. The system works fine. The batteries just died out. Once I start pulling things apart, you know I'm going to want to do other things to the system. I need a new box. I need one more updated with some of the SMD stuff that we're making now. I'll probably want to run some new power wire as well, because this power wire is all turfed out. It's been in there for 15, 16 years, and I've learned a lot since then, obviously. We got 4 MechMan alternators in here. They've been in there since the day that I put them in. Never had one problem with them. These things have lasted, and they're still good. But I think I'm ready for a new one. I want some of those new MechMan alternators they make now. So it's not going to be a 100% brand new system redo. The doors obviously are going to stay the way they are. Mostly everything. The dash is going to be just the way it is, but a few updates like batteries, wiring, some alternators. I may even put some new shoes and socks on this thing, because those U255s, as great as they are, even the plastic dip is still on there. They're tired. It's time for something new. I'm going to make myself love this truck again. Let's take a little look at it before I shut this video off and move the truck over to the other bay. Oh, so dusty.
Pass, baby. Pass.
Alright, I got it jump started today. Got everything working. Air's filling up. System's playing. Those batteries are completely dead though. Any kind of pull on them, they're down to nothing.
And out of respect, I'ma send a text. Cause out in the west, you be alright with us. Well, I think the bitches better spend the night with us. Get someone take our life from us. It's really a rhyme and they sending me copy and it's locked. I'm on the same, he ain't gon' lie. Okay, I ain't perfect, I promise, but bitch, I'm truthful and honest. They ain't got no only one. You ain't the real one. Yeah. You ain't been block approved.
Knocked the iPad off of the counter.
Did I? Yeah. Sorry, man. Alright, so
What?
so hard that everything's shut down. So it's only running off the alternators. Those things are getting warm. Everything in here still works just like the first day. It slaps pretty hard actually. Batteries are dipping hard, but it's still hitting hard. I don't know what all I'm going to change. I know I'm changing the batteries. Oh, I want to fix some of the wiring. But for the most part, it just needs batteries. We're back on the road again. They're shipping today, so hopefully they'll be here in a couple days. Time for some new 14 volt Group 31 batteries, excess power. I think you guys thought I was joking. I ain't joking. Look at this. 10 Group 31 14 volt batteries are here. And they are going to be in there soon. Time to start unwrapping. So you're probably thinking, man, this guy works late, but actually it's yeah, 5:30 in the morning. So we're getting it. We're going after it with the early birds. I don't even know where to start with this. I'm gonna have to start pulling all this stuff apart just to get to these batteries. Definitely not looking forward to pulling all this apart. Brando. You never seen nothing like this. Go ahead, take a gander at it. Hey, I turned the camera on because I knew your face was gonna do that. So right underneath here is where that row of batteries is at. That's been in there since who knows when, man. So that's how I'm gonna get to that battery rack. Put 4 of those in there. And wow, we in this thing, man. Yeah.
Look at all the... Dude, this is all
Look at all the newspaper and the CDs. How does all that shit get in here?
09.
Chili Cook-Off 2009?
This is out of that Ink magazine, I guarantee
Oh, it is from the Ink magazine. It looks like it, huh?
This is old, dude. Wow.
Underneath this thing lies 5 batteries. We got newspaper, we got tissue paper, we got popcorn, we got broken CDs, all kinds of stuff. But when I remove this panel, I should be able to get to the batteries that have been in there for a very long time. And I got those right there getting ready to go in. All I know is right now I'm dying to see what these look like. Doesn't look that bad from the bottom, but as soon as I pull this cover off, it's not very pretty. Brando, I want to see your face when you lift this lid up.
You want me to open it?
Yeah, you know what? Go ahead, open it.
I need to flip, right?
Yeah, just go ahead and lift it. You'll be fine. Just take a quick look. Tell me what you see. Lift it up all the way. Lift it up. Just lift it. Lift it.
Oh, wow.
Hey, it's not pretty. You want to